Hi, this is my first time here. Could you tell me where I can buy a ticket?
Of course. You can buy your ticket right here. We have general admission tickets and guided tour tickets available.
Great. What's the difference between them?
General admission allows you to explore the museum on your own. The guided tour includes a 1-hour tour with a museum guide who explains the exhibits and answers questions.
That sounds helpful. How much are the tickets?
General admission is $15 for adults, and the guided tour ticket is $25. The guided tour includes admission as well.
Okay, I think I'll get one guided tour ticket, please.
Wonderful choice. The next tour starts in about 20 minutes. Would you like the audio guide as well? It's available in 12 languages.
Maybe not this time. I think the live guide is enough.
No problem. Here's your ticket. The tour will gather near the big statue in the main lobby. Just look for the sign that says Guided Tours.
Thank you. Before I head in, is photography allowed inside?
Good question. Photography is allowed in most areas, but no flash, please. Some special exhibits may have signs that say no photos, so keep an eye out.
Got it. Are videos okay?
Short videos are fine, but we ask visitors not to record full tours or long recordings of the exhibits.
Makes sense. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Welcome, everyone. We'll begin our tour shortly. My name is Sarah, and I'll be your guide today.
Hi, Sarah. Could I ask a quick question before we start?
Of course.
How long is the tour, and will we have time for pictures?
Absolutely. The tour lasts about an hour. We'll stop at several points where you can take photos. Just no flash near older paintings and artifacts.
Perfect, thank you.
All right, let's begin. First, we'll head to the History Hall. This section shows artifacts from over 2,000 years ago.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It truly is. Many visitors say this is their favorite part of the museum. Here we have an ancient stone tablet. It was discovered in a small village and is believed to be over 1,500 years old.
Incredible. What do the carvings mean?
They tell a story about early trade routes in the region. Historians spent years translating the symbols.
That must have been difficult.
Yes, but very rewarding. If you'd like, you can take photos from this distance.
Thank you. Do guided tours always follow the same route?
Most of the time, yes. But sometimes we change the route depending on the size of the group or if an exhibit is temporarily closed.
I see. Are there any extra exhibits I shouldn't miss after the tour?
Definitely. The nature gallery on the second floor is very popular. And the rooftop observation deck has a beautiful city view.
I'll check those out.
This is our interactive science zone. Feel free to try the touch screens. They show simulations of ancient architecture.
Oh, this is fun. Is this part open all day?
Yes, until closing time at 6 p.m. Kids especially love this area.
I can see why.
Up ahead is the art gallery. You'll notice signs reminding visitors not to use flash photography near the paintings.
Yes, I saw those. Thank you for explaining earlier.
Of course, We want to protect the artwork while still letting people enjoy their visit. Before we finish, does anyone have questions about the exhibits, the museum, or other areas to visit?
Yes, one more question. If I want to visit again later this week, do I need to buy another ticket?
We offer a 3-day pass for visitors who want to return. You can upgrade your ticket at the front desk before you leave.
That's good to know. And do you have any recommended times when the museum is less crowded?
Early mornings on weekdays are usually quiet. Weekends tend to be the busiest.
Perfect. Thank you so much for the tour.
You're very welcome. I hope you enjoy the rest of your visit. Feel free to explore the museum on your own now.
I will. Thanks again.
Before we finish today's video, let's learn some useful vocabulary from the conversation. General admission. This means you can enter and explore the museum on your own, without a guided tour. Example. General admission means I can explore the museum by myself.
Guided tour. A guided tour is when a museum guide leads you and explains the exhibits. You can ask questions and learn more details. Example. I'd like to join the guided tour, please.
Artifacts. Artifacts are objects from the past that have historical or cultural importance. Example. That stone tablet is an ancient artifact.
Exhibit. An exhibit is an object or group of objects that is shown to the public, usually in a museum, gallery, or science center. Example. This museum has a new dinosaur exhibit.
Upgrade. Upgrade means to pay extra to get a better ticket or service. Example. Can I upgrade my ticket before I leave?
That's it for today. I hope these words and conversation help you the next time you visit a museum. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.